WD40 Specialist Anti-Friction Dry PTFE Lubricant provides enhanced lubrication, leaving a clear film that provides lubrication and corrosion protection at the widest operating temperature within the WD40 Specialist range, from -45 degrees C to 260 degrees C. WD40 Specialist Anti-Friction Dry PTFE Lubricant can be used to lubricate equipment such as saw blades and bandsaws, or to protect metal surfaces. The product can also be used to lubricate plastics and rubber parts, lubricate door and window tracks, as well as drill bits. By engaging the Smart Straw, product can be directed to the precise area requiring lubrication, such as the inner workings of chains, rollers, and conveyor mechanisms. WD40 Specialist Anti-Friction Dry PTFE Lubricant is designed for use on metals, plastics, and glass, so ideal for keeping your tools and machinery working effectively for longer. Job done.